Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Back out here with the squirrels, y'all. Back at Squirrel Park, and today is Throwback Thursday, so I got one of my throwbacks out here. This time I'm doing it a little different. Usually I have one of my brushed toy grades out here for Throwback Thursday, but this time I have a brushless model, and it's none other than the Emax TinyHawk, and this is the original one. I just got a custom canopy and all, a custom frame and all. They have different color frames on the website, so you can get different colors and everything, whatever. I think there's maybe 4 colors. There's black, there's white, there's this color here, which is baby blue, and then we have a pink color, I believe. And there's also lights that you can purchase. I have the lights, I just haven't installed the light kit yet. And so I got some blue lights, red lights. Let me know in the comments what color lights you think I should throw on this thing. I'm thinking about having red in the rear and maybe blue in the front, if I can pull that off, because I'm thinking that the lights probably go around the sides, but who knows. I'll check it out. Let me know if I should just go with blue since the quad is blue, or should I mix it up with green in the front, red in the rear, or something like that. I don't know if it'll show well through the canopy, well through this frame or whatnot, because I think the lights go on the inside of the frame underneath there. But anyhow, I like to fly this guy line of sight. One of the few that I like to fly line of sight on angle mode because it's just an awesome shape, and it just feels nice flying it around in angle mode. And this isn't much of an acro flyer anyhow. It's only 1S and it's a little heavy. Can't remember how heavy this thing is, but it can do some acro, but not a whole lot of agility or whatnot. Not a whole lot of thrust either. And they did come out with a second iteration of this, which accepts 2S. This is the 1S version. I have the 2S version as well. What else? The 2S version can run 1S and 2S. This one is just strictly 1S. I think I had 2 of these. I think I might have dismantled one, and I can't remember if I added a buzzer on this one or not. I think I did. I definitely added a buzzer on the other model that I had, and I think that's what spelt its demise. I think the buzzer pad ripped off or something like that, and I stopped using it. I dismantled it. But let's get this guy up in the air for some flying. Throwback Thursday. D8 mode receiver. I forgot to mention that I did do the battery mod, the battery lead. I switched it to the A30 or BT 2.0, I think it is. Let's see if I can get this thing plugged in. Yeah, I do have a buzzer in there, active buzzer in it. You guys know I love using a buzzer. I'm thinking about doing a little FPV too. Not a lot of power. Let's check a punch out with it. Let me go in acro mode for this. Sheesh. And I got the rates down super low. I'm just going to fly it in acro mode, line of sight. Gotta admit, this thing looks awesome. Oh, tree. Okay, I'm tempted to do some FPV. Let's go into some FPV, y'all. Whoa, whoa. Sheesh, and I smacked into the biggest tree out here. and I'm not going to be able to do turtle mode. Let's try turtle mode. Maybe it might work out here. And it worked, but I doubt if I'm going to be able to take off. Let's see. Oh, we took off. So let's continue with my FPV. Sheesh, I don't believe I smacked into that tree like that. That was crazy. Gotta go up high to do some acro. Sheesh. We barely made it out of that. Can't do any flips and flops with the rates down this low. Let's try another one anyhow. Sheesh. We're out here. Oh my goodness. Banged out. Let's see if we can take off again. Oh, it's not letting me take off. Sheesh, my luck, it crashed all the way out there. Well, I don't believe in luck, but you know what I mean. I'm all the way over here on the sidewalk. The walk of shame. I think something might be inside the prop. Got some debris in the prop line, so it won't let me take off. Still connected. I should have stayed line of sight with it. Not really that agile, especially being the rates are kind of low. I never turn the rates up because I usually fly this guy angle mode, flying it indoors and stuff like that. You know, kind of like a whoop. Must have lost the prop or something. Yeah, I think I lost the prop, or maybe broke a prop. Yep, I lost the prop on it. Sheesh, I guess that's the end there, because I doubt if I'm gonna be able to find that prop. It's light blue. Got custom props on this thing too, so we lost the prop. I guess that's going to end our fun now. Throwback Thursday, y'all. Thanks for watching. Y'all found the prop. Maybe the battery's dead. Let's swap out the battery. Be back in the air with it. Flying at an angle right now. Yeah, I got the rates too low. Let me go in acro mode. Phew, look at that slow flip. Oh, it flips to the other side faster though. You guys see that? This side it flips fast. This side is slow. I was going to try a power loop, but the rates are so low, I'm afraid. Do some line of sight with this guy. Check it out, y'all. I think it looks awesome doing those banking turns. Do some proximity. Slide around some trees. I don't know what kind of bird that is, but they approve of this thing. Oh, there go the buzzer. This is why I love an active buzzer, y'all. It lets you know when your battery is being expended when you're at LV2, so you can bring it in and don't hurt your battery. Throwback Thursday, y'all. The Emax TinyHawk with a custom color frame and all custom color props, and I think this is a GB. I think this is a GNB A30 connector there, and it's connected to BT 2.0 on the quad. Thanks for watching.